Brittany, one of the goddesses here at All That Matters at the store. Today we're going to show you a tutorial on how to wear one of our favorite things that we sell in the store, which is these upcycled sari skirts. So these are wraparound skirts and they can be put on in many different ways. One of the ways is around the waist, and we'll show you some of the ways moving forward with Kelly here, who is our vendor who brings the skirts to us. So she's going to show us how to wear the skirts in lots of different ways. She's wearing it goddess style right now, and then we'll show you some other ways to wear them.
Okay, yeah, so you're going to open it, you're going to cross over this side.
This looks much better.
Yeah,
I think.
I think so
Maybe
too.
it depends on the bosom.
Right.
You
And
know
then
what I mean?
I
Like-
think you just needed a little bigger size, that's why. Okay, so once you have it crisscrossed over the front, you're just going to hand them back here so that you can crisscross in the back. And then you'll fix the top on both sides. Yep, you've got the idea. And then, you know, you just, before you tie it, you just play with the top till you get it where you want it.
Better with the material.
That's much better. And tie it off underneath. Cute?
So good.
How do you think? Is this better?
Oh, it looks so good.
Yeah. So, for the triangle, I mean for the one shoulder one, so what you'll do is, however you wanna, I can even, you're just gonna take one corner and you're gonna come up like so, and you're gonna let this fall to the back.
Okay.
And you're gonna bring this around, and I just use my chin to kind of hold it, but that's just me. And so now you've got this, and you're gonna come just under your chest. Yep, and then bring that strap all the way back here, so you've got it like this. Sorry, tucked in. Okay, and now you're gonna go ahead and take that tie and this tie, and you're gonna crisscross. So you've got an X back there now, and you're gonna bring it around. And you're gonna tie wherever you like it. And now you're looking cute. One shoulder.
Goddesses. So cute. So cute.
So to wear it like a baby doll, you can just go ahead and put it on as you would.
Okay, so put the strap right through this hole.
Yeah. Just like you would around your waist. You bring that strap back around from the back, and you can tie it up right here, and then you've got a cute baby doll strapless dress. And in the mirror, you'll, you know, just fix whatever needs fixing.
Yeah.
Here we go.
You've got a cute dress to wear. You can put heels or flip-flops, either one. And at any time when you're wearing these, always remember that you can always take up the top layer and you can tie it, can pull it all together, and it makes it look totally different. You can really show off the under layer. It's really cute. So then doesn't it look different now?
Wow.
You can
Cute.
try that.
Yep. So you can change the look.
Yeah, I love that.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead, just as you normally would wear it around your waist, and you wanna actually go for the smallest setting hole, like over here, and you'll know what I mean once you try to put it on. It will look like this. So there's a few different ways to wear it. So you can wear it and you can bring both strings around to the back, and you can tie in the back. This is just, so you don't actually have to have the opening. Is that what you're asking? Okay. So you tie this in the back like this, and you have full coverage all the way around.
And you can still see there's a little slit in the front.
If you want, when
Right.
you walk, you'll
Right.
see this trim piece when you're walking and it looks so pretty. You can have that also in the very front, or you can have that over here on the left. It just all depends on how you want to
Yeah.
showcase your skirt and how much of that little peak of the other side that you want to show as well when you're walking. So super cute.
Hi, I'm Charlotte. You've probably never seen me before. Why? Because I'm usually the one behind the camera. So me and my dear friend Barb are here today to show you all the different ways you can wear these upcycled short sari skirts with our wonderful creator of these skirts, Kelly, to come on in and show us.
Hi everyone, I'm back again.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do with the short skirts is you're gonna just wrap it around. You're gonna find that little buttonhole that's on the belt, and you're gonna go ahead and put the belt through that and pull it through. You're quick. Okay. At this point, you'll just go ahead and bring it around. And now you've got both straps and you can tie it off. There you go. Adorable. You can also just spin it so that you can have this opening in the front, more towards this side, or in the back, for all three different looks. As you can tell, this is a reverse side, and she's wearing the front side. So she's showing the two layers where this is showing one. You can wear this as a shirt. So it's kind of the same thing, but you're gonna go ahead and pull this up.
Oh, okay.
Chest.
Let's see. I just lost it.
And you're gonna go ahead and wrap it around. I'll wait for you.
Should I flip it to the other side?
Either or, yeah. Yeah. So it's the same way that you put it around your waist. Yeah, there you go.
Ah. Why am I just forgetting?
There you go.
Aha.
And in this case, I would go ahead and spin it.
Oh, wait, I got messed up.
Barbara.
I'm Barbara.
Barbara is wiggling around on you. And I would go ahead and just tie it off here at the top.
Oh.
Like this. Very fun looking and cute. Very cute. Adorable.
Perfect.
Okay. So the next way that we'll show you how to wear it is you're going to go ahead and put, it's like a halter. You'll put the one corner up over one shoulder. And then you're going to take this and run it all the way around. Okay. You're going to leave this strap, I'm going to go ahead and turn Barbara so you can see, you're going to leave this strap kind of hanging like this. You're going to bring this under and around here. So now you've got these two. You're going to go ahead and give them a crisscross. And you're going to bring the two straps back around front. Very good. And then you can tie that off. It's a beautiful bow. You're done. Beautiful.
So good.
Very
oh my
good.
god, so good. That's awesome.
Hello, I am Michelle, and I am here to show you how to wear the long upcycled sari skirt a very different way. And this is converting it into a dress that we're calling the old Hollywood glam dress with a cowl neck. So, of course, I need Kelly for this one. Hi, Kelly.
Hi.
Here she
Hi,
is again.
everybody.
She's our upcycled sari skirt guru.
So
Okay.
what we're gonna do is you're gonna wear it as a skirt, a long skirt. And you're gonna go ahead and pull the top layer up into 2 handfuls, and you're gonna go ahead and twist each side.
Ooh. Yeah.
You can see where we're going with this. And then you're gonna go ahead and bring it up.
I'm behind on my twisting. Excuse me. Okay. And bring it up. Oh, I have beach hair.
And you're gonna tie it just right behind your neck.
Ooh. And then make this a little bit of a cowl.
Yeah.
How'd I do? I can't see
That
myself,
looks
so. Yeah?
very adorable. If you've got any extra material, just tuck it in.
Whenever we wear this upcycled sari skirts, we go, woo! Oh, and one other little fun little fact about when you are here and you find the right upcycled sari skirt for you, you get a little gift. And we offered this basket of goodies, which is all little bags. Every single one is different and unique and might be a little backpack or a little sling bag, but you get to take home your sari skirt in one of these. So
Wow,
thank you
that's
for those,
great.
Kelly. These
Very
are so
good.
cool. And again, these are all one of a kind. Every single one is unique, and you will not have one like another. So you won't, show up wherever it might be and say, "Hey, I have the same dress on," like at all. So, so here we are. So thank you so
Yeah.
much. So to all of you
Thank
who
you.
have been stopping by for the past year or so and admiring these and feel intimidated about wearing them, we've just showed you all sorts of ways. All the ways you can wear the upcycled sari skirts, and we will always help you at the store as well, but you can pause, rewind. We hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for all your support of All That Matters, shopping local with us and also with Kelly. So,
Thank you.
Namaste, everyone.